Welcome back to my channel, everybody. Hair Obsess JC here. Welcome back to the Hair Obsess Club. Please don't forget to subscribe to the club. So the first thing I did was to pat my hair into sections and use a relaxer base for sensitive scalp. And what I did was to apply the base in sections just like so. Then I went on and put the petroleum jelly to the length of my hair. Something that I have observed when I reach 8 weeks post, I notice that my scalp hurts and I don't know the reason for that. And then I apply the petroleum jelly to my edges as well as my nape. Okay, so this is the kit that I'm going to be using, and it's the Vitally olive oil touch-up kit, anti-breakage, no light conditioning relaxer. And I got this at the Sam's Beauty Supply store, and I got the regular. Now I'm not sure what exactly is in the box, so I'm just going to open it up for you guys to see all that I got for the relaxer process. The relaxer, part A of O1, and then the liquid activator, and then I have a leave-in conditioner with provitamin B5, and then I have the neutralizing shampoo at the end of the process. And I also have the olive oil hair mayonnaise, and I got some gloves in the package. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, I would really love for you guys to stay to the end to see the end result of my husband helping me with the application process. So as he went along, and I noticed one of the things here that he did wrong was that he's making the parts too big. I think that the sections that he's making should be a little bit more smaller. Another thing that I'm noticing is that he is also struggling with parting the hair, as you can see here. I also noticed that he had a minimal overlapping. If you guys have been following my channel, you know that I've been struggling with hairstylists who has been applying the relaxer to the length of my hair, which can cause a lot of damage, but he seems to be doing a good job with his application process. The only thing that I notice here is that I believe the sections are being made too big. It should be a little bit smaller. He had minimal overlapping. So I was 14 weeks in this video with the help of protective styling. I already have a video on that. We are not professionals, so if you would like to get your hair relaxed, please don't use this video as a guide. I also bet you guys didn't notice he's not wearing any gloves because he apparently thinks he's a professional. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Please give my husband a thumbs up if you think that he's doing a really good job. So we started at the back, and the back obviously got better relaxed than the front. As you can see here, the front has a lot of texture. He spent about 30 minutes doing this, and the box says 25 minutes or less. So it was on the process nonetheless. Those are the results. So what I did was use the curling iron to press out the roots so that it has a more sleeker and more finished look. But it was definitely on the process here at the front. Okay, so what I did, I tried to stay in the frame for you guys to see where my hair is so far, and I'll give you guys an update in about 2 weeks. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Adios.